So we are going to slice this thinly. So put 2 big clumps of the mashers in the middle, and then you're going to spread it as you see, and then we're going to layer on the chicken next, and then we're going to lay down the dresses and coats dressing, and then on top we are going to quickly make the stuffing, and we're going to put that on top with some mozzarella, and y'all gonna see what it looks like in about maybe 15 minutes or so once I get it back out of the oven. Okay, you guys, so I made this earlier during the daytime. I am now officially free for the evening, so I am just putting the extra layer of cheese on top because I like mine kind of cheesy. But this is what it looks like, right? And like I said, I just put some little extra cheese up here because I like a little extra cheese and for presentation purposes, since I know it's been a couple of hours. But you know, if you notice the dresses and coats, the dressing, it actually soaked and absorbed, which is awesome. This is about to be smack. And then I went ahead and made me some carrots. Don't that one right there look like a finger? Anyway, so yes, this is what it looks like. Bon appetit.